We need 6 total for.
So I only need 5 more.
Okay.
Where did this green egg come from?
These came from our friend Scott from his hens at his house. Scott brought over a dozen eggs for us, and so there's some different colors in there, different shapes.
What chicken got this?
That's a good question. I don't know. Some sort of different variety of chicken, different variety of hen. Different sizes.
These are different colors.
Let's.
This is like mint chocolate chip.
What do you want to do? Do you want to grab those
one.
different colored ones and see if they're different on the inside as well?
I want to save that for another time so we can see on our next view when we do eggs.
Okay.
So 1, 2,
We're
3,
doing eggs
4.
right now,
I only need 1 more. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6. Oh, I need 1 more.
So you're gonna go with all the same color. Okay, cool. All right, so that's our 6 that we need for our lunch.
Let's
And
go.
then we'll package those back up.
Let's crack.
So we want to close those back up and make a little space for ourselves. All right, we're gonna crack our 6 eggs in. Nice.
Oh,
No, just put. Honey. There we go.
uh-oh.
Yeah.
I'm cracking these eggs so we can do our thing at dinner. So that's right. I'm trying to crack these. I just spilled a whole egg. And I didn't even do.
Do it over the. There.
So it was a little bit of a problem.
That's okay.
And
There you
so
go.
now we're done. Now we're just mixing the eggs and
All right, egg is in the pan.
okay, now so
We're gonna wait on the salt until the very last bit, Lillian. There's
Okay.
so many scientific reasons why we want to do that.
how
But
about 1 pinch and then 1 pinch after?
I'll tell you when we're ready, okay?
Okay.
And then you can add a few pinches. So now the egg's in the pan, the hot pan, the melted butter, and we
look at that
just
egg.
it's starting to do something, huh?
Yeah, it's starting to get scrambled. See
Mm-hmm.
that around it,
Mm-hmm.
and you can see it getting hot on the pan
Mm-hmm.
around it. That means it's starting to get like scrambly.
And we wanna.
Oh yeah, it's starting to get some scrambly.
Oh yeah. How many eggs did we put in again, Lily?
6.
6. So how many people?
And we added
how many?
one more.
Well, we added one more because we lost one, didn't we?
Yeah.
So how many people are eating today?
3.
3. So how many eggs is each person gonna get? If we
2.
Boom! All right, 2 eggs per person. That's a good amount. That's a good portion, especially since we've got other stuff to go with our eggs today, right? So if you look in there, right, it's starting to do its thing. It's starting to coagulate. It's starting to scramble up.
Yeah. That means come together and wise.
Right.
And wisey means like get kind of eggy and start to puff up.
Right. So I'm just pushing the eggs around a little bit.
Yeah, so
I'm
that
not.
so that means so it pushes together
Mm-hmm.
so it can cook quickly.
Mm-hmm. And I'm not getting too crazy about stirring it. See that? I'm more like folding it instead of stirring. I don't want to break it up. I want nice big
Yeah,
curds.
because if you break it up, it will have to cook all again, and if you cook it all again, it will be overcooked, and it will be white, and then it will turn black, and then it will be crispy, and you can't eat it.
So many things.
Yeah.
So now, Lily, now that it's kind of come together, I'd like you give it 2 pinches of salt. So just a pinch to start, sprinkle around. Maybe if you're gonna go, yeah, you got little fingers. So let's go 2 more after that. So 1 more, and then 1 final more, okay?
I'll take these 2 fingers.
Yeah,
And sprinkle them
beautiful.
everywhere.
Okay, and that's pretty much it. We're going to let the heat, the residual heat that's in the pan, cook the rest of the eggs. So they look pretty soft right now, but if we just turn off the pan, that'll be it. And we got beautiful scrambled eggs.